Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by validating prerequisites, Git installed and Vscode opened on your project. Open the integrated terminal with Control+ and run Git version to confirm. Next, either git clone repo URL to fetch an existing repo or git init to create one. Once done, set git config global user. Name your name and user. Email you at example. Com so commits attribute correctly. These first commands establish identity and repository context. Make sure to work from the project root. Now you iterate. Check state with git status to see unstaged files and changes. Stage what you want with git add file or git add. For everything, this controls what enters the commit. Then commit with git commit m concise message. Commit messages explain why, not what, so future you understands intent. For isolation, create branches with git branch feature /name and switch using git switch feature /name or git checkout b feature /name. Once done, rerun git status to confirm a clean working tree. To finalize, link your local repo to a remote with git remote add origin URL, then push using git push u origin main or git push origin your branch. When collaborating, pull frequently. Git pull rebase keeps a linear history and reduces merge clutter. If you encounter conflicts, open the conflicted files in the editor, resolve markers, then git add the resolved files and git rebase continue or git commit if merging. Key troubleshooting tip. If history gets messy, create a temporary branch, reset safely, and communicate with teammates before force pushing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.